So I think the Yellowstone is a really special river. So seeing this kind of accident or disaster happen to it is very soul-sucking. So after this disaster, I think Montana Rail Link and the railroad should be held responsible for a full cleanup that meets the standards of what everyday Montanans would expect. And that's literally a leave no trace and leave the place better than you found it. And they have not done that. And they need to come back and they need to do a better job.
I mean, we caught a fish today. The health of the river and the fish is always a concern. They're seeing some effects. I don't know if it's directly correlated to the train spill, but the whitefish seem to be impacted.